Stop paying for channels you don't watch. Today, I'm showing you the updated 2026 method to cancel your Fubo subscription in under 2 minutes. First, identify your billing source. If you signed up directly at Fubo.tv, follow these steps. For Roku or Apple billing, stay tuned for the second half of this guide. Log into your profile at Fubo.tv on a web browser. Note that you cannot cancel through the Smart TV app. Click the gear icon and select My Account. From the sidebar, click on Subscription and Billing. Scroll to the very bottom. If you're on mobile and don't see it, switch your browser to desktop site mode. Click Cancel Subscription. Fubo will offer a discount or a pause. Select Skip to proceed. You must reach the final confirmation page and click OK to finish. Billed through Apple or Roku, you must cancel through their platforms. On Roku, press the star button on the app. On iPhone, go to Settings, then your name, and then Subscriptions. Remember, Fubo has a strict no refund policy. Also, if you're on a free trial, canceling directly will terminate your access immediately. That's it. For more updated tech guides that save you time and money, subscribe to System Sleek Guides. I'm Roberto, thanks for watching.